Hey everybody. Today's video we're going to be discussing saving your work, saving your files here on a Mac, and how to make sure you don't lose your work after you log off the computer. Last time we talked about accessing your H drive and P drive, or the My Documents and public HTML drives on a Mac, and today we're going to go over how to save your work to those drives so you can make sure that you don't lose anything after you log out. Okay, so first thing, we're going to open up a Word document just as an example, and we'll just type in test here, and we'll go through the steps of how to save this document so that when you log out or the computer is left overnight, it doesn't erase your work. So we will go up to File and Save As, and you might get a window that looks something like this. And what I recommend doing is clicking this blue box with the arrow just to the right of the name field. When you click that, a few more options appear that let you save things exactly where you would like them. Now on a Mac, when you save things, you might be tempted to either save straight to the hard drive here on the left, or if you scroll down here, you'll even find a folder that says Documents. And you might even see a folder that says your name. Now, when you save work to any of these places, it will be erased at night or when you log off the computer. So you need to be careful where you save your work. So, after you have connected to the My Documents server and you have this icon over here on your desktop, what you will need to do is click on this cougar icon, and then over here to the right, scroll down until you find My Documents. Click on the My Documents folder, and you'll notice that right here at the top we have the icon and My Documents, so we know that this is going to be saving to the drive we just connected to. So again, under Cougar and My Documents, and that's where you're going to want to save everything to make sure it doesn't get erased. In effect, this is exactly like saving to your H drive. So I will click Save, and in just a moment it will be saved to this folder right here. So I'll double click this My Documents icon, and we will scroll down, and you'll notice this document is saved right here. So now I know that that document is in my H drive and safe when I log off. Another way to save things to your My Documents drive or to your H drive is a little more comfortable for new users to Macs especially, and we'll go through that right now. So very similarly, you're going to go to File and Save As, and instead of navigating into Cougar and then into the My Documents folder, what we're going to do is we're going to name this document whatever we would like, and then we're going to scroll down here on the left until we find Desktop. And I'm just going to save this document to the desktop. I'll click Save, and you'll notice it puts that document right here on my desktop. So now what I can do to get it into the H drive or my Documents folder right here on my desktop is simply click and drag this document on top of the My Documents icon and let go of my mouse button. So I'll drag it on top, let go of the mouse button, and now I will double check in this folder, scroll up, and I will find that document right here. So it's just as simple as dragging and dropping onto the icon to save your work into this folder. So now when I quit out of Word and I log off the computer and shut down and everything, my work is safe within my H drive. So now I can again disconnect from this drive by dragging it onto the disconnect button here at the bottom right. And I have successfully saved my work and can access it easily the next time I need to work on it. So check out the next set of videos for some demonstrations and instructions of how to use more of the programs within Max to help you with your assignments and projects.